Tired of Wise constantly asking you to verify it's really you logging in? Let's fix that by managing your trusted devices. First, open the Wise app on your phone, the same phone we want to register as trusted. This is crucial. Now, tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's represented by a person icon. Scroll down in the account settings until you find security. This section is where we can control the access permissions to your account. Tap on the security option. This will open up a menu with all sorts of login and verification options. Look for an option that says Manage Trusted Devices or Registered Devices and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of devices that Wise recognizes as yours. If the device you're currently using isn't listed, there should be an option to add it. It might say something like Add Current Device or Register this device. Tap on that option. You might need to confirm your action using your password, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it, your device is now trusted. You shouldn't be prompted for verification codes every time you log in from this device.